YouTube channel of Connect Info Systems. In this video, I will show you one of our app in Frappe, which is named as Frappe Group By. So using this module, you can simply add a group type or group by filter in any of the doc type. So let me show you. First of all, we will go in item list. Here we can see that we have option of group by. Here we will add a item group and we will add a label. So now there are two groups, consumable and product. So our details has been grouped by item group. Now we can add one another group, which is child group, and we will add this. So here we can see that the list has been grouped by accordingly. We can add here many more group filters. So now we have also added the aggregate field here. So if any currency or number field is there, you can simply see the sum and average here. So this is also grouped by this opening stock, item code and group by. If we will remove the middle group by filter, then it will automatic arrange according to the remaining filters. It is also working according to this name. For example, if I will search the filter of item 1, then only one record is there, so it automatic filters the record also. Here we have option of clear all. If we will click on clear all, the group by filter has been removed. So this group by filter is also available in any of the doc type. For example, delivery notes, here is the group by filter available. Purchase receipt, the group by filter is there. So this group by filter is available in all the doc type, and you can group by according to the fields which are present in this doc type. Thank you.